Hello students. Today we are going to learn here about subsets. Okay. So what is called now subset here? Set A is called here subset when set A is having all the elements. Okay. If set A is having all the elements and all the elements of A are elements of what here? B. All the elements of A are the what here? Elements of B. Then A is called the subset of B. Definition what here? See, a set A is said to be subset of B if every element of A is also the element of B. Means all the elements of A are present in the element are present in what here? Set B. Means all the elements of A are there in the set B. Then A is called here subset of B. Okay, and what is the symbol we use here? We always use symbols this one. Okay, so just like this curve, okay, is called here symbol of a subset. When you are showing the symbol here, always draw this symbol. Okay, let's see some examples here. Okay, so first of all, see the B set here. B set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements there. And what is set A here? A is having what? 2 and 4. A is having what here? 2 and 4. Then what? Okay, so 2 and 4 are present in the set B. All the elements of A are in the set B. Then A is called what here? Subset of B. A is called here subset of B. Okay, so how to show here? A is a subset of B because all the elements of A are present in the set B. Okay, same way we have seen that in the real number set. In the real number set, all the rational and all the irrational numbers are there. All you know that R is what here? Biggest set. R is what here? Biggest set. So see here, R is having all the rational and all the irrational numbers. Then call what here? Then the rational number set is called subset of R. Then the rational number is what here? Subset of R. Same way here, irrational also. Irrational is what here? Q dash. Okay, so Q dash is also what here? Subset of R. Means set of irrational number is also subset of what here? R. Okay, so main thing is what here? If any set is having all the elements of other set, if any set is having all the elements of other set, then that set is called what here? Bigger set of a given set. Then that set is called here subset of a given set. Means for example, once again see here. Suppose A is a set there is having all the variables, all the alphabets. Okay, A, B, C, D, and so on till Z. Okay, all the English alphabets are here from A to Z. And set B is having only vowels. Only vowels is what? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so set B is having only vowels and set A is having all the elements. Means all the vowels are present in this set. Then this set is called a subset of A. A is a bigger set, no? B is a smaller set. Smaller set is always a subset of a bigger set. So B is what here? Subset of A. Okay, so always remember that if any set is having all the elements of other sets, then that set is called a subset. Okay, so bigger set and smaller set. Smaller set is always the subset of a bigger set. That is called here subsets. Okay. Now see here, we are going to discuss here subsets of a real number set. So all you know that real number set is the biggest number set. In the real number set, all the numbers will come. Okay. So what are the subsets of a real number set? We are going to discuss now here. Okay. Before that, in the previous classes I told here about the number system. Okay. So number system is what here? Natural number. Okay, is having only positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then W is called here whole numbers, means start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Next is what here? Integers, 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus, means here all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers and 0 are numbers coming in the integers, positive or negative numbers, it will come here. Okay, rational number is what now here? P by Q form, and P and Q are from this set. So all the numbers we are taking here and writing the form out here P by Q, where Q should not be 0. Okay, and Q dash is what here? Root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. And real number set is what here? Q plus Q dash, means all the rational and all the irrational numbers will come in the what? Real number set. Now let's see about the subsets here. Okay, so see, all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come in this set. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 are here, plus extra 0 is there. So this is the bigger set and this is the smaller set. Okay, so we can say that natural number set is a subset of whole numbers. Okay, natural number set is what here? Subset of whole numbers. Now see, all the whole numbers are present in this integers. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are all numbers are here. Okay, plus negative numbers also there, no? Positive numbers are there and extra is what here? Negative numbers are also there. So all the numbers are present here. This is the biggest set. Then this is smaller one. So we can say that W, whole number, is a subset of a set. You can say that what here? Whole number is a subset of integers. Okay. Now see, all the integers are present here in this set. Means these numbers only we are taking here. And plus we are writing in the form of P by Q also. Means in the rational numbers, okay, all the numbers of this will come, plus P by Q form also will come here. That's why this is a bigger set than this. Okay, so we can say that here what? Integers are subset of what here? Rational number. Integers are what here? Subset of rational, because all these numbers will come here. So this is the biggest set than this, all these numbers are coming. So that is called here subset of Q. Is that all these numbers will come here? No. See, here all the integers are there and here roots are there. So these and these are totally different. That's why what here? Q is not subset of Q dash. Why? Because all the numbers of Q are not here. All the numbers of Q are not here. This is a different set only. So that's why what? Q is not subset of Q dash. Is that Q dash is subset of Q? No, because root 2, root 3, root 5 are numbers are not here. All these numbers are not here. Both are totally different. Both are what here? Complementary. Okay, that's why Q dash also what here? Q dash also not subset of Q. Q dash also is what here? Not the subset of Q, because elements of Q dash are not present in the Q. Okay. Now see the real number set here. Real number set is having all the Q and Q dash. So we can write that already we wrote here what? Q is the subset of R. Yes, because all the rational numbers are there in the real number set. Okay, and Q dash is also what here? Subset of R. Okay, means all the irrational numbers also are present in the real number set. That's why Q also subset of R and Q dash also what here? Subset of R. Okay, now see that Q is having all these numbers. Okay, so is that possible that we can write here? Okay, all the natural numbers are present in the real number set. Yes, obviously, because all these numbers are present in this R. So we can write that natural number also subset of R. Okay, is that all these whole numbers are present in the R? Yes, because R is the biggest set. R is what here? Biggest set. So all these numbers, all from N, W, Z, Q and Q dash, all these numbers are present in the real number set. Real number is the biggest set in the number system. So that's why we can write here whole numbers also subset of R. Same way here, all the integers are present in this R. So therefore what? Integer set is also subset of what here? R. Okay. Now rational number also what here? Subset of R. Already I wrote here. Rational number what here? Subset of R. Irrational number also what here? Subset of R. Okay, main thing is what here? Subsets of R, real number set now here. So natural number is a subset of R, also what here? Subset of R. Okay. Integers also what here? Subset of R. Rational, irrational, all these sets are what here? Subsets of R. Okay. So natural number, whole numbers, integers, okay, rational, irrational, all these sets are what here? Subsets of R, because all these numbers will come in the real number set, and because what here? Real number set is the biggest set in the number system. So that's why all these sets, natural, whole, integers, rational, irrational, all these sets are what here? Subsets of a real number